In this video, I'll show you I built out a Instagram and Twitter profile downloader kind of a project in Node.js Express using web scraping. So we are running this project locally, as you can see on the browser on localhost 4000. So it's a full stack project in Node.js Express. It's using web scraping to actually scrape the content from Instagram and Twitter. This will be the full directory structure. We are using, as you can see, Express, and also we are using Node Fetch. So you can actually purchase the full source code. The link is given in the description. So once you purchase it, you will get the source code from Google Drive. All the files are customizable. You can customize all the source code and add additional features as well. So the interface of the application is quite simple. You actually go to Instagram. You can actually copy link address, simply paste it, and after that it will download, it will scrape the content. So I've used the scraping technique. I've written this code from scratch. So you will see instantly it actually scrapes the content from Instagram and downloads the image and saves it. It also works with the videos as well. You again copy link address. It can be a reel as well. It can be a story. You just need the link and automatically, as you can see, the video is successfully downloaded and it's actually playing in the video player. And same goes with Twitter and X. You again copy video address and simply you paste it. Again, this will actually download the X profile. So once it downloads, you can actually see it in action. So we have successfully downloaded the X profile video. So you can take any profile post, for example, it can be a story, video, reel, anything. So if you're interested in this script, it's a full web scraping script in Node.js Express. It's fully customizable. So these are the two files here. EJS template is running in the front end, and this is the backend code here in Node.js Express. So these two files are there. It's fully customizable. So if you're interested in this, definitely purchase it. And I've shown you the demo. You can actually take any video, for example. So this application is really fast as well. It basically does the job for you instantly as you paste the link. So it actually fetches video, anything. So if you're interested in this web scraping script, the link is given in the description.